Yes, it's a queen thing. I got it from my mom. Sakafet Queen J fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jamila and you can find out a little bit more about me by checking out my intro video linked somewhere on the screen. So check that out, guys. If you've not subscribed yet, subscribe. I have great content coming your way. My goal for 2020 is to reach 300 subs, so help me reach it. I'm actually really happy because I got some feedback from persons saying that my first video, my vision board video, inspired them to create their own vision board. I'm just waiting for the pictures so I could see my what I've accomplished, because my main goal creating YouTube was to reach people, especially the young people, and the fact that I at least reached 2, I could say I'm doing good. I'm on a step, a step. So share the video with your friends, share it with friends of friends, tell your friends to share it. Get your girl to 300 by the end of 2020. Thank you. I'm super hyped for today's video because I'll be sewing with you guys. I'll be showing you how I create my fashion mask, but it's gonna be a twist because I'll do a 2-in-1 set. So a fashion mask with matching belt or headband, however you choose to wear, just a cute little accessory to match with your mask. For my viewers here in Toronto, I do have fashion masks available for sale. DM me on Instagram at QueenJTV and we could make arrangements for you to pick up your mask. I have plain, simple, cute fashion mask, and also those with my signature braided piece down the middle for those who want to go just a little extra mile. And I can always throw in the fashion accessories, so just DM me on Instagram and let me know what you want at QueenJTV. For my people in St. Lucia, my mom is actually creating really cool fashion masks. She have the plain ones and those with the shields to protect your eyes. So message her on Facebook at Steffi Queen and you could make purchase arrangements. Yes, it's a queen thing. I got it from my mom. Okay, so enough talking. You're here to see some action. Let's get straight into the video. Thanks guys for staying till the end. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know not everybody has the time or the patience to do their own fashion mask, so don't forget, if you want fun cool masks, my people out here in Toronto, message me on Instagram at QueenJTV, and those in St. Lucia, message my mom at Steffi Queen on Facebook. Until next time, stay true, stay creative.